train number 5. The California Zephyr. 138 and 188. Pulling in right on time at 4:05. It's a warm day here in Martinez. It's almost 100 degrees. At least it was earlier. It's cool, slowly cooling down. Got some people getting off the sleeper cars here. Got a friendly engineer waving at these people, thanking them for the ride. Good handful of people getting off in coach as well. They are almost to Emeryville. Almost to Emeryville. Saw Conductor Tom yesterday, so we will not see him today, of course. Yeah, 4 sleepers. 1, 2, 3, 4 sleeper cars. Diner, lounge car, and 2 coach cars. Must be a lot of summer travel going on. Adding another sleeper car.